morning, agents. Now, it's post Super Bowl morning, and I've just got a few bones to pick with some people. And I don't know if you were a Patriot fan or a Seahawk fan, but what I can tell you is that P is for possibilities. Can you believe it? Can you absolutely believe it that the New England Patriots are pent back on their goal line? 40 something, maybe 50 something seconds to go. The clock is running, and the Patriots don't call a timeout. They're not calling a timeout. And what's so more amazing about it is that the Seattle Seahawks throws a slant pass, gets it picked off. By the way, the young man's from West Alabama University, and I know the folks at West Alabama are going absolutely crazy. Nonetheless, can you believe it? The possibilities that Seattle would throw a slant route and not run Marshawn Lynch. I mean, listen, you know, there are mistakes made in life, and then there are very obvious mistakes made in life. That's an obvious mistake made in life. You don't throw a quick slant when you can give the ball to the best running back on the planet. Poor old Seattle. And I don't know what those guys were thinking. Maybe they were just out thinking themselves. But the possibilities are so amazing that the Patriots would be in that position. And what would be the chances, the possibilities that Seattle would not run Marshawn Lynch and throw a quick slant? Well, I tell you, it was possible. And the possible happened. And unfortunately for Seattle, they lost the Super Bowl not because they were an inferior team, but because they didn't make the right decisions down in the most critical time of the game. Give the ball to the greatest running back on the planet, and the possibilities of winning the ball game are exceptional. Agents, have you ever thought about the possibilities with one life? Have you thought about what can be possible with our company? What can be possible as an individual agent? What can be possible is that you can do things that you've never done before. You can reach numbers you've never reached before. The possibilities are astonishing, but the most critical piece in all of it is to be able to make the right decision, push the right button, utilize all of your resources, make certain that you are on top of your game so that the possibilities of doing the greatest things that you can possibly imagine being done within our company and within this business do exist. Don't pull the possibility off the table. Know when you're in a victorious moment. Know when you've got it in your hands, and make the possibility possible. Hey, thank you again for joining me on this more motivational Monday. And once again, what a super Sunday. I hope you had a fantastic Super Bowl. And listen, always consider and always know the possibilities that exist. Thank you very much.